Everyone, in this video we will discuss the whole question of IMAT math this session and question number 56. Question is which of the following is the equation of circle with center this and radius this. Now as we know that equation of circle with center a comma b and radius r is a square of x minus a plus square of y minus b equals to r square. That is for this circle where C is center and R is radius. That is, if this is diameter, its half is radius. Now we have given that R is equals to 3 and center, that is A comma B, is given as minus 1.5 comma 0.5. Now that is A is equals to minus 1.5, which can be written as minus 15 upon 10, further minus 3 upon 2, and B is equals to 0.5, that is 5 upon 10, can be written as 1 upon 2. Now from the equation of circle we have x plus 3 upon 2 square plus square of y minus 1 upon 2, which is equals to 3 power 2, that is equals to 9. This implies that as we know that x plus a square equals to x square plus a square plus 2xa. From this result we have x square plus 9 upon 4 plus 3x plus for this y square plus 1 upon 4 minus y is equals to 9. Now in this whole equation, if you multiply with 4, we have 4x square plus 9 plus 12x plus 4y square plus 1 minus 4y equals to 36. Now after some calculation in this equation we have 4x square plus 4y square plus 12x minus 4y plus 10 minus 36 equals to 0. This implies that because in this equation 2 is common, so cancel out with 2, that is 2x square plus 2y square plus 6x minus 2y minus 13. Note this equation. We have a 2x square 2y square plus 6x minus 2y. That is, this is wrong because we have minus 2y. This is also wrong because we have a constant minus 13. This is also wrong because we have a constant minus 13. Now in this equation actually we have here plus 6x, so this option also incorrect. Now option D is correct. Because to next question of IMAT, question number 58, and question is simplify logarithm of x square upon 4y plus logarithm of x into y plus logarithm of 8. Now in this question, first of all, ln means logarithm with base e. Okay, and for this question we have to remember three results: 1 2 3. Result first is logarithm of x into y is equals to logarithm of x plus logarithm of y, and result second is logarithm of x upon y equals to logarithm of x minus logarithm of y, and result third is logarithm of x power n. Remember, logarithm of x power n equals to n time of logarithm of x. Now come to explanation. In question we have given that logarithm of x square upon 4y plus logarithm of x into y plus logarithm of 8. Now come to solve firstly this. In this we use result 2, that is x upon y. This implies that logarithm of x square minus logarithm of y, and for this use result first, that is logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. Now in mathematics 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 can be written as 2 power 3. So write 8 into 2 power 3, that is the logarithm of 8 is equals to logarithm of 2 power 3. Now use result third. In this case this implies that 2 time of logarithm of x and minus as it is. In this case we use result first, that is logarithm of 4 plus logarithm of y. Now this is similar, log x plus log y, and this is equals to 3 time of logarithm 2 using result third. Now this implies that 2 time of log x minus log 4 minus log y, log x plus log y, and 3 time of log 2. Now this cancel with this and we left 2 time of log x. As we know that 4 can be written as 2 times 2, This implies that 4 is equals to 2 power 2. This implies that 4 can be written as 2 power 2 using result third, that is minus log 2 power 2 and log x and 3 log 2. Now we have 3 log x, and using result third, this implies that 2 time of log 2 and 3 log 2. This implies that 3 log x and this left log 2. Carefully read this result, that is 3 time of log x and 1 time of log 2. In this option A incorrect, option B incorrect, option C incorrect, option E incorrect, and we left only option D, 3 time of log x plus log 2. Next question of IMAT, that is 59. Question is what is the set of values for which 12 minus x square greater than 8 and 2x plus 3 greater than equals to 5. Now for simplicity, say this inequality first and this inequality second. Now from first inequality we have 2x plus 3 greater than equals to 5. In both sides add minus 3. This implies that 2x greater than equals to 2. Divide both sides by 2. We have only x square greater than equals to 1. Now from second inequality we have 12 minus x square greater than 8. But we have to find value in just in x. So we multiply both sides with minus 1. As we know that if a greater than b, this implies that minus a less than minus b. So in this equation we multiply the minus sign. This implies that minus a less than minus b, that is minus of this is minus 12 plus x square minus less than minus 8. This implies that if we add both side plus 12 we have x square less than 4. And now as we know that in mathematics x square is equals to square of mod of x. Now if x square less than a, this implies that square of mod of x less than a. This implies that mod of x less than square root of a. And in mathematics this implies that minus root a less than x less than root a. Note this inequality. That you note also, if in an exam you also have this type of inequality, that is if mod of x less than equals to root a, this implies that minus time of root a less than is equals to x. Now from our last inequality, that is x square less than 4, this implies that x square less than 4, this can be written as square of mod of x less than 4. This implies that x less than root 4, and in mathematics we know that this is equals to 2 because 4 is equals to 2 power 2. This implies that now this implies that mod of x less than 2. As we know that this can be written as this. This implies that minus 2 less than x less than 2. Actually in our explanation I use mod of x less than 2, that is this implies that minus 2 less than x less than 2. Actually it can be derived as we know that mod of x behave x and minus x. So case first, say x less than 2, and case second minus x less than 2. This implies that multiply both sides by minus sign, that is minus 2. This implies that x greater than minus 2. Combining these two, we have minus 2 less than x. Simply this. From our explanation, this inequality gives us x greater than equals to 1, and this inequality gives us minus 2 less than x less than 2, and we have to find out their intersection. So their intersection is equals to 1 less than x less than 2. This match with option C. This implies that option A, option B incorrect, option D, Option E incorrect. Only option C is correct. To next question of IMAT. In this question, we have given that the diagram shows a quarter of circle surrounded by an isosceles triangle, and radius of this circle is r. Note this radius, and in this figure, which one of the following expressions represents an unshaded area? Actually, in this figure, this shaded parts represent shaded area, and this left area represent unshaded area. Okay, and for simplicity, isosceles triangle. So for simplicity, I take AB is equals to BC. That is this side equals to this side, and this 90-degree angle. Now we have given that the radius of circle is r. That is, this is r, this is r, and this line also r. That is, in this figure also this r, and this r. For simplicity, I take this AB side A. This implies that BC is equals to A, because AB is equals to BC, because we have given that a triangle is isosceles triangle. Now come to area. This is equals to area of triangle minus area of given quarter circle. This implies that as we know that area of triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 into base into height minus area of a quarter circle. As you know that area of circle is pi r square. So area of a quarter circle is equals to 1 upon 4 area of circle. This implies that 1 upon 2 base of triangle is A, and height of triangle is A, because height is AB is equals to BC. This implies that height is also A, and minus 1 upon 4 pi r square. This implies that 1 upon 2 A square. Note this expression. In this question, I use the result, because in this question we have given that a triangle is isosceles, that is in triangle ABC, such that AB is equals to BC, where O is the midpoint of AC. This implies that AB square plus BC square is equals to 2 times of OB square. We use this result for this question, that is AB square plus BC square is equals to 4 times of OB square. In this figure, this side A, that is A square, and this side also A, implies A square plus A square is equals to 4 times of OB square. As we know that OB is equals to R, this implies that 4 times of R square. This implies that 2 times of A square is equals to 4 times of R square. That is, A square is equals to 2 times of R square. Now come to our first expression, that is 1 upon 2 A is equals to 2R square from this result. Now minus 1 upon 4 pi r square. 2 cancel with 2. This implies that r square minus 1 upon 4 pi r square. Common out with r square. This implies that 1 minus pi upon 4 r square, 1 minus pi upon 4. This implies that this result incorrect, this also incorrect, this incorrect, this incorrect, and this match with our this result, that is option A is correct and option B, C, D, E are incorrect.